going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail, we're going to be installing the Active Autowerke single mid pipe. As you guys can see, the garage is full of boxes, all car parts, all car related. I don't know if I've told you guys what's in this big ass box right here as well as this one, but you guys will find out in a future video to come very soon. I want to thank you guys for clicking on this video. As always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe for future content. I've been super excited about this video. I was hinting at it a lot in that last equal length video that I did when I installed the Active Autowerke catless downpipes, but we're finally going to be installing the single mid pipe on today. Shout out to Active Autowerke for sending this out in such a short time frame, as well as like next day shipping. It only took a day for the mid pipe to arrive to my house. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this for you guys and show you what we're working with. We got my helper, Kona, ready to go. But yeah, huge shout out to Active Autowerke for sending this out. I was gonna wait to install this at WTF Motorsports, which is my favorite local shop here in Orlando, but I mean, I'd have to wait a couple days, and I've literally been like watching every catless downpipe, single mid pipe video on YouTube, and I just wanna get rid of the 2K Rasp as fast as I can so I can just go and enjoy the car, make more POV exhaust videos for you guys. So might tackle this in the garage myself. We'll see. I've seen a couple DIYs on YouTube, and honestly it doesn't seem that bad as long as the car's in the air. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see what Active sent over. Kona's like, what the heck is in the box? So yeah, we got the single mid pipe right there. You guys can see the Active Autowerke branding, always packaged nicely and always super fast shipping as well. Hardware, clamps, nice. And then they also said they were going to be sending me out a dope t-shirt as well. Hell yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is Active Autowerke. I love repping the brands that are on my car. Can't wait to rock this. But yeah, here is the single mid pipe. We got the connecting pipes for the rear, and then this is a big boy single mid pipe right there. Shout out to Active for sending out the t-shirt. I'm definitely gonna be rocking this a lot. And then here is their beautiful single mid pipe for the F8X. As you guys can see here, this is the side where it connects to the two down pipes. We have the two connecting pipes at the end. They look super similar to the connecting pipes that I put on for the resonated equal length that they sent out to me like a month ago. And then over here we have a ball joint, which is where we're going to be connecting this half of the mid pipe to each other. So I think this is a very straightforward install. The welds are all super nice, stainless steel all throughout. And like I said, I think it goes from 2.5 inch diameter to I think about like 3.5 inches, somewhere along this line. And so what this mid pipe does is it not only eliminates rasp similar to the equal length mid pipe, it makes the tone super aggressive, makes it really deep and throaty, and you can really hear like the grumbliness of the S55, which I'm super excited for. I think I'm gonna install this myself, honestly. It doesn't seem too bad. I've seen a couple videos, but let's go ahead and jack up the car in 3, 2, and 1. We got the car jacked up, got jack stands, 2 jacks, and then we have some ramps in the back. And so yeah, we are going to take off the equal length mid pipe. Hopefully everything goes well. The rear section on the single is gonna be the exact same as this. So I think it's gonna be super easy to remove. And then the only tricky thing during the single mid pipe install will be getting this rear section up. I'm probably gonna put like a little bucket or something so I can hold it up, or maybe just tighten down the brace right here so it doesn't hang or sag while we tighten down the downpipe side. All right, we got the clamps over here, and then I have all the tools that I think I'll need. I think it's like a 13 mil and a 15 mil to get the clamps off for the rear section. And then for the mid brace, I'll figure out what I need for that. So I have all the tools laid out here. I'm not sure if it's gonna be a DIY or step-by-step instruction, but I will update you guys once we get the equal length mid pipe off. All right, update number 1 for you guys. We got the non-resonated or resonated section out from the equal length over here on the left side. And then what we have is the single mid pipe non-resonated section over on the right side. So I lined them up together, but when we're installing everything, I wanna make sure everything's loose, so that way we can play around with the fitment and make sure we have play if we need to maneuver stuff around. So next I'm going to transfer over these little hangers to the non-resonated section over here. And then in order to take this off, all it was 4 15mm bolts in the back. And then I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4 13mm that you need. So that came out super easy. I think that part is actually going to be the most difficult part of this job. Just going to give you guys another quick update. I put the single mid pipe non-resonated section on just so the muffler doesn't hang. So when we connect this middle part right here, you know, everything will kind of be flat. So next we're going to take off the middle brace right there. And then we're gonna unscrew the downpipe side. There's another hanger over there as well. So yeah, hopefully everything goes smoothly. So far so good. Let's fucking go. Got the equal length mid pipe out, the front section. The only tricky part was getting this top left bolt out. I actually had to go to Lowe's and buy one of these, little wrench, 13 millimeter. And then I was actually running out of room to fit all my tools because I kept bumping into the heat shield. But what I did was I just lowered this little underbody panel and that gave me plenty of room. All that we have left to do is transfer over this hanger plate to the single mid pipe and we should be good to reinstall. Let's freaking go. Since I'm down here, might as well show you guys what the active down pipes look like. There they are. Doing another check-in. The mid pipe is now connected to the down pipes. I have this little hanger right here tightened down as well. And so all that we have left to do really is to connect the rear section to the midsection and then put that brace back on as well and make sure it's not hitting anywhere. I'm also going to check the tips in the back of my muffler, make sure they are pulled out, you know, to where I like them, and then just do one more final spot check. Make sure nothing is hitting, like the heat shield and whatnot. And then yeah, we'll button her up and give you guys a cold start. Here's the final update before we put the car on the ground. Everything lined up. The fitment was really good. Made sure nothing was touching the heat shields or the brakes right there. So the next clip you guys are gonna see is gonna be a legit cold start with the new Active Autowerke single mid pipe paired with their catless downpipes. Hey YouTube, just wanted to pause this video real quick to bring you guys a message from today's sponsor, and that's Simply Carbon Fiber. So I'm actually gonna hit you with a trifecta today. We got my beautiful carbon fiber phone case that I rock on my iPhone 12 Pro every day. You guys can see there, it literally matches and blends in with the carbon fiber that comes from BMW and the factory. The same weave and everything matches the carbon here. And then something that never leaves my car and never leaves my wrist, we got my Simply Carbon Fiber sunglasses with the carbon fiber frames. And then you guys see it, my forged carbon watch from Simply Carbon Fiber as well. Never leaves my wrist. Absolutely love this one. So yeah, if you think any of the trifecta suits your lifestyle, make sure you guys check them out at simplycarbonfiber.com and use my code FH10 and you'll get 10% off your order. As always, thank you to Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back into this one.
Several days later.
What's up YouTube? It's been a few days and we're gonna give you guys the first cold start with the new single mid pipe. I am super excited to show you guys. You already know we're rocking the new Active Autowerke shirt. I'm not gonna lie, I did go for a test drive the same night that I installed it just to make sure there wasn't any exhaust leaks or boost leaks like that. And I'll tell you what, I thought I had a boost leak, but it was actually me being able to hear my turbos for the first time, spooling down and spooling up. I mean, that shit was just crazy. I was just smiling, driving around the neighborhood, but I wanted to experience it for myself before I showed you guys, of course. And I'll tell you what, the 2K Rasp is officially gone. I am so happy. The single mid pipe fixed that for me as I expected, and I can't wait to show you guys what it sounds like. I think it's early enough that if I do a cold start, it won't matter. So sorry neighbors, sorry, not sorry. Of course, we're gonna let the car warm up real quick, but just wanted to show you guys the 2K Rasp issue is officially gone. Let's fucking go. I'm actually on the way to F80 Danny's house real quick, his apartment, for something secret, top secret. But I'm also gonna ask him to do some exhaust clips for me, you know, some flybys and drive-bys. There's actually an empty road right by his apartment complex that we got the first clip for the last video on. So we're gonna do a couple more of those. And I wanna show him the single mid pipe, of course. He's running the stock down pipe, non-resonated equal length mid pipe, which again is one of my favorite setups. We'll definitely do a comparison video for you guys soon. So yeah, he's gonna help me get some clips for you guys, so stay tuned. What? What the fuck? We got F80 Danny back on the vlog.
What's up? Helping out?
Helping out, you already know. All right, we're gonna give you guys a couple revs in efficient mode. And again, this is with one valve open and one valve closed. now we're gonna go Sport Plus, valves open, everything.
A few moments later.
Car sounds insane in the parking garage. And you can hear the turbo spool like crazy, yo. I'll definitely get you guys some more POV clips as well as some more like flybys and whatnot, standing revs. But yeah, let me know what you guys think so far about the single mid pipe. I am loving it, yo.
Several days later.
What's up, YouTube? Checking in with you guys a day or two later. We're actually gonna go for our first POV drive with you guys. We're gonna take you guys along, and then I don't know if you guys will be able to see, your boy has the G7X mounted on the back of my chair. Since I obviously don't have a sunroof, I decided to try to mount it to the back of my seat, and it actually worked out pretty well. I'm gonna take my hat off, of course, but hopefully the video comes through and the audio does come through as well. So let's get it. You can literally hear the turbo spooling up and down. It's actually crazy. Sounds so freaking good. All right, now we're gonna go windows up. Give it some juice. There's literally no rasp anymore at 2K. Freaking amazing. The tone sounds super deep, super grumbly, super throaty. I actually really like it a lot. On top of the turbo spool, which I've probably said a couple times already. Hell yeah. Another thing to note is it eliminates the rasp. I would say like 85% of the rasp. If you get up to like 6,000 or 7,000 RPM, you start to hear the rasp a little more, especially at idle rev. But I think under throttle or wide open throttle, it sounds super good. Here we go. Windows down, just cracked a little bit. God dang it. I forgot to charge the G7X battery, so it just died on me while we're doing the cool little POV angle. I'll be sure to charge this up, and then we're gonna do another video probably for Monday's release of just straight POV driving, less talking, just exhaust note and a point of view. So yeah, stay tuned for that. As of now though, we'll just do a little handheld with the Sony. You guys will just have to bear with me, but I think you guys will be able to hear how good it sounds now with the single, and then we'll go over to the underpass and get you guys some standing revs and whatnot. Super nice. So I just cracked the windows open for you guys a little bit. Let's go. Sunset, and you already know where we are. the best underpass for exhaust videos. I'm gonna go set the tripod up and get you guys some standing revs outside the car. We'll do efficient and then sport. Before we head home, just got to hear the turbo spool under the tunnel. Alright YouTube, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to Active Autowerke for sending out the single mid pipe. Thank you for the great customer service, and I love working with you guys. Thank you for the fast shipping as well. I absolutely love the single mid pipe. I mean, you guys could probably tell by this video. It sounds great, and we were able to eliminate the rasp. Love the tone. I love being able to hear my turbos. I was joking with a bunch of guys this week that thought I had a boost leak, but it was actually me being able to hear the turbos spool down and spool back up, which is something that I haven't really experienced myself. So I absolutely love that. I think the single gets rid of the rasp, I would say like 85 to 90% of the time. If you ring it out to like 7,000 RPM under load or at idle rev, you know, you're gonna get that tinny S55 rasp. That's kind of unescapable. But honestly, I don't mind anymore as long as I got the 2K rasp issue resolved, which it is. So to me, I'm happy and I'm a satisfied customer. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Are you team equal length? Are you team single? Either way, Active Autowerke makes amazing products. I'll make sure to leave everything in the description below. Make sure you guys check out their website, follow them on Instagram. Let me know what you guys think about the sound and the tone of the single versus the equal length. I'm definitely gonna make you guys another POV video without the top of my head for Monday's video. So less talking, just driving and exhaust note. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that one. But as always guys, make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe for future content, hit the bell, follow me on Instagram, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Peace.